This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the VPN provider and your account level. This determines whether you can create users. Once done, open the provider dashboard or the company VPN admin portal and sign in with the account email and 2FA. Make sure to choose whether you will use a provider-assigned username/password or generate a dedicated VPN user. You need admin or delegated rights to create credentials. If you don't have them, request access now. You next navigate to users, clients, or VPN accounts in the dashboard. Create a new user by entering a username, assigning groups or permissions, and selecting protocol settings. This sets what networks the user can reach. After you save, generate a strong password or reveal the provider-generated one. Copy it immediately into a secure password manager. If the system issues a config file instead, download the file and confirm the embedded username and password. You now configure the VPN client on your device. Enter the server address, the username you created, and the password you stored, then select the matching protocol. Test the connection and watch the client logs. Common failures include wrong credentials, protocol mismatch, or expired account. If it fails, reset the password, verify the account is active, and make sure device time is accurate. Time drift can break authentication. If problems persist, escalate to provider support with error log excerpts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.